Well, if you ever plan to motor west, just take my way. That's the highway, that's the best. Get your kicks on Route 66. Well, I went from Chicago to LA, more than 2,000 miles all the way. Get your kicks on Route 66. Well, down from St. Louis, down to Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so